Yeah, this application is another really good example of Caspio's excellent interconnectivity. What we're doing here, we're using your Caspio data pages to connect in to the Onfleet system for last mile activities. This will be when your delivery drivers are dropping off or picking up packages, when your nurses are going to do wellness checks, where your technicians are going to fix equipment, when your inspectors are going to inspect roofs, anything when you're going out of the office to a home or a business to do work. And so you put together everything that you need to do in Caspio, and then that links into Onfleet for the actual drivers and nurses to follow the Onfleet mobile app and execute the task that they've been assigned to. So we create and manage service orders in Caspio just the same as your existing programs. And OnFleet then takes that data and dispatches the workers and optimize the routes. And when the drivers get started, they have a mobile app from OnFleet that gives them directions. And when they get there, they take pictures and get signatures, answer questions and whatever. And this supports both simple deliveries like pizzas and stuff like that, or it could be pretty complicated, like when we do initial assisted living checks for people where we need to ask a lot of questions. And so this does both simple and advanced deliveries. And all the data here is user configurable. So when you have more questions and whatever, you don't need programs, you just type the questions into Caspio. And so we have locations, teams, and people. So a location is obviously like in Jacksonville. A team is in Jacksonville, but the team has a role, like they're drivers or wellness or inspectors. And then the people, they get service orders. So you put your service orders in Caspio. Obviously, you need the address is pretty important here and connects into Google Maps. And then the drivers log on in the morning. The driver has a task here. So this is the OnFleet phone app that the driver is using, okay, downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. So they have a task, they click the task and see where they've got to go here. And it has extra stuff like the gate code. They then click to start, and we go off into either Google Maps or into Waze for delivery. So they follow the way on the delivery. When they get there, they say tap to complete, and it asks them success or failure. They can add lots and lots of photos and videos. They can get signatures and can add notes and things like that. And then they do complete, and then it says that you're done. And so this is a simple delivery, okay? But what you can also do is if you're doing fire inspections, we're in Caspio now, and we say these are all the questions we need to ask people when they do a fire inspection. And obviously, fire inspections you go and do a lot during the day. Simple things, fire exits, fire extinguishers, fire alarms. Okay? And so when you get there, you have this link in here. Click here, and you get a responsive Caspio data page. You answer the questions that were user defined in Caspio, and you're done. It's often sort of useful to go into the OnFleet user interface because you see on a map geographically where all the drivers are, where all the service orders are, and you can do some manual adjustment of assignment, or you can just use the OnFleet geographic assignment algorithms to do that for you. So for people who have a substantial number of on-site work items to do, we've got flexible operations, inspections, and deliveries, so you can do complicated or simple tasks. Caspio puts everything together in the data, and then OnFleet manages the execution. The drivers have their own mobile app from OnFleet and gives them, roles and availability and task assignment. And then when they get there, the workers complete tasks, routes, and photos, signatures on the mobile app. So a great integration, I think, for those who have a significant number of off-site activities to do. Thank you.